Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down blockchain basics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling episode 67, How to Import a Token into MetaMask. If you're new here, MetaMask is a super handy wallet extension for managing Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies right in your browser. It's essential for anyone diving into DeFi or NFTs, and importing custom tokens is a breeze once you know how. First things first, make sure you have MetaMask installed. If not, head to the Chrome Web Store or wherever you get your extensions and download it for free. Once it's set up, open your MetaMask wallet by clicking the Fox icon in your browser toolbar. You'll see your account dashboard. Let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Assets tab at the top of your MetaMask interface. This is where all your tokens live. If the token you want isn't showing up, don't worry, that's why we're here. Look for the Add Token button and select it. You'll have two options: Import Tokens or search for popular ones. For custom tokens, choose Import Tokens and then Custom Token. Now, for step 2, you'll need the token's details. Enter the contract address. This is like the token's unique ID on the blockchain. You can usually find this on the token's official website or platforms like Etherscan. Next, add the token symbol, like ETH, or whatever it is, and the number of decimals, which tells MetaMask how to display the token amounts accurately. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Hit Add Custom Token, and voila, your token should appear in your assets list. But remember, always verify the contract address to steer clear of scams. That's it, you've just imported a token into MetaMask. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. In our next video, we'll cover swapping tokens securely. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.